Excuse me, sir. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the post office. Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure, it's not far from here. Walk straight down this road for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then you'll see a traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light. Got it.
After that, the post office will be on your right next to the bank.
Thank you very much. Is it near the supermarket?
Yes, it's just across the street from the supermarket.
Perfect. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a great day. At the corner. Traffic light. Roundabout. Go straight ahead. Turn left at the traffic light. It's next to the supermarket. It's across from the bank. Go past the school. Take the second street on the left. The hospital is behind the post office. Walk along this road. It's about 5 minutes from here.